Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and I'm here today guys with a quick unboxing video of this phone right here. That is right guys, I finally got my hands on the Mi A2, and no just regular Mi A2, this is the global version, no less. I'm super excited to unbox this one right here for you guys. Pardon me for the kind of close-up video here because I definitely am doing this kind of makeshift right now, but I wanted to share this experience with you guys and do this unboxing for you right here. So let's have a look at this quick unboxing. Let's get this bad boy open right here. Oh man, I don't know if you should unbox with a pen regularly, but let me just use my nail there, and oh, there we go. And we are cutting this open. And as you can see here, they've included the details. This is the blue version, 64 GB. And let me show you guys the box here, taking off this stuff right here. This is the, where is it? Right there. This is the blue version, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. You know what? I really wished I could have gotten the 6 GB version, but I did do some tests with that kind of version in the with the Mi 6X earlier. So let me just keep unboxing this right here. Let's see what's inside the box. Slowly opening. There it is. So let's see what's in here. There's the Mi A2. The Mi A2, man, this is super exciting. And, you know, if you have seen my 6X reviews, this would be, you know, that'd be a great kind of place to start with kind of my channel. If you're interested in the Mi A2 to see kind of what it looks like. There's the Mi A2 right there. Let's see this phone. Look at that beautiful blue. Looks just like the Mi 6X, but it's got that Android One branding there. Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, the 20 megapixel front cameras, and that dual 20 megapixel AI dual camera setup. So that's going to be real exciting. Let's put that off to the side for now over here, and let's just kind of see what else is included in the box. So here we can see this is definitely the global version. So kind of pointing out what we got in here. We have the micro USB cable. Sorry, not micro USB. This is the USB-C. Better get that right here. You can see it there. There's USB-C. So no, not micro USB. This is the USB-C cable right there. And let's pull this out here. And look at this. This is a very interesting charger right here. This is the power adapter. It looks like it's a 5 volt right there, but this is definitely for European plugs right here, or for kind of other plugs in Asia, global version plug for sure. Then kind of looking at the little stuff we have here, we have the Mi A2 user guide. There it is with user information. And we have, oh, this is nice. This is the USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack plug right there. So that's really welcome. That is normally included in like the Pixel phone, but I'm so glad to see it here because, you know, for all you guys who are curious if that is included in the Mi A2 global version, it definitely is. There's your SIM ejector tool. Last but not least, you see here we do have a case for this phone. Let's kind of check it out. You can see there, oh, that's definitely one of those TPU, your typical kind of case there for this phone. So, overall, that's the unboxing. And let's turn this bad boy on right here. See if it does turn on. There it is. Booting up the Mi A2 with Android One. And so stay tuned guys, I'm definitely going to be doing, oh there it is. I thought that was on. I thought the letters there meant that it was on, but that definitely wasn't the case. But I'm going to let this thing load here real quick guys, and you know, stay tuned for my video coming up very soon about this Mi A2. This phone is definitely something I've been waiting for. I've been waiting to test it, and I can't wait to test this. I'm sorry guys, MIUI is great, but I love me some stock Android, and here it is on this phone. So I can't wait to kind of do a kind of initial review impressions on this phone and to kind of go through my kind of paces with it and comparing it to the phones I've been testing, obviously the Mi Max 3 and the Redmi Note 5. I'll be doing all those tests very soon. But thanks for watching this unboxing, guys. Sorry for the kind of close up there. Like I said though, appreciate the support. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up right there. And if you love the content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for an initial review, kind of go through of this phone here, the Mi A2. Stay tuned, guys. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.